Hello, my students. We have studied methods of writing set. Now, in one of the lecture, we have studied listing method, which is also known as roster method. So today we will see rule method, which is also known as set builder form. Now, the reason that I am teaching you both the set for in two different ways or for keeping a gap, that is the reason because most of the students is having confusion in this method. So we will see what is a set builder form or rule form. Actually, we write the journal element using variable followed by a vertical line or column and write the property of the variable. Now, one example we have considered. This is the example of a rule method. How we will read this? Set A is the set of all x such that x is a natural number between 1 and 10. There is one more method to read this. We can say that set A is the set of all x such that x is the element of set n, which represents natural numbers, where x is greater than 1 and x is smaller than 10. So we will see few more examples related to rule method. My dear students, we will see few more examples for rule method or set builder form so that your concept will be more clear. Here I have written one example. This example is in rule method that we are going to see how to read it. So we will read this example as set B is the set of all x such that x is a prime number between 1 and 10. This rule method can be written in the listing method in this way. B is a set of the number 2, 3, 5 and 7. What are the prime numbers? Prime numbers are those which are divisible by their own selves. Or in simple language, if we will say, prime numbers are those which comes in their own table. So again I am repeating, we will read this rule method as set B is the set of x such that x is a prime number between 1 and 10. Between 1 and 10 means starting from number 1 to 10, all the prime numbers we are writing here. This is the way we will write in the listing method. One more example I have taken. This is another example. We will read as set Q is the set of all numbers in the form P upon Q such that P and Q are integers, where Q is a non-zero. Again I will repeat how we will read is set Q is set of all numbers in form of P by Q. Q represents rational numbers. Rational numbers are represented by P by Q. That is P upon Q. Such that P and Q are elements of integers, or we can say are integers where Q is a non-zero or Q is not equal to 0.